funny.
But I try to watch this. This is it. Your father is so handsome. Your father is so handsome and so gorgeous. I like him.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Ayan, si Las Piñeros naman. Winner kayo ng Monday, di ba?
Opo.
Nagpalit kayo ng costume ngayon kasi dati parang hip-hopper lang kayo. Ngayon, anong concept nyo?
Concept namin ngayon parang Mortal Kombat Scorpion. The character Scorpion.
Okay. Sino nakaisip nun?
Ito ba?
O, bakit naman? Bakit naman Scorpion?
Kasi Scorpion kasi kami more on stunts. Si Scorpion, magaling siya mag-stunts.
Okay. Ayan, nabawasan pa daw kayo ng 2 members today. Paano yan? Paano nyo i-compensate ang pagkawala ng 2 members?
Nag-adjust po kami sa blocking, sa lahat. Pero umabol po kami, mas gagalingan po namin ngayon.
Naniniwala ako sa'yo. Ayan, good luck, Team Las Piñeras. The floor is ready.
Justin Timberlake, if you watch this, this is the weekly finals. All our teams are good. And this is the pride of Las Piñas. Yeah, right?
Eto na ang Team Las Piñeros. This is your moment.
This is the moment. This is it.
Get over here. That's played out. Hit it.
You gotta lick it. It's all we keep it. You gotta get it soft to it so we can kick it. You gotta lick it. It's all we keep it. You gotta get it soft to it so we can kick it.
Yeah.